This lovely sprawling ranch-style Sonora home is a hidden gem beautifully situated on a 1.10-acre parcel located in an established quiet neighborhood on a private cul-de-sac. Enjoy 3 spacious bedrooms, 2 bathrooms with living room, bonus rooms and indoor laundry area. Large open eat-in kitchen with separate pantry and adjoining family room with wood-burning stove with built-in bookcases and wood beam ceilings. Sliding glass door opens up to the wonderful patio and barbecue area. Custom-built wrought iron fencing plus security camera system. Oversized detached 2-car garage with plenty of parking for all your toys and boats, including an attached hobby room shop or extra storage. There is also an extra carport for RV parking. Additional shed to store your firewood for the winter months. Professionally maintained pool with safety gate to keep everyone safe. Make sure you see the large one-of-a-kind boulder in the backyard. See how many silhouettes you can spot in the rock spaces. Mini orchard with several fruit-bearing trees, vines and many beautiful oak trees surround this beautiful lot. Only 15 minutes from door to new Melones boat launch and your boat is on the lake. This amazing location is below the snow line, gets snow maybe twice a year but doesn't require digging out. Enjoy all of the unique shops, parks, restaurants and bars downtown. Wine tasting is close by in Sonora or 35 minutes to the boutique town of Murphy's, 5 minutes to historic Columbia and Columbia College, 1 hour to Yosemite and only 2.5 hours from the Bay Area.